Let's see how many papers it takes to hold each item. One. One again. One. No. Two. There we go. One. No. Two. Still no.
Four.
There we go. One. No.
Two.
Still no.
Four.
Pretty close.
Eight.
Yep.
One.
Oh.
Two.
Bro, this looks so heavy.
Four.
No.
Eight.
Still no.
16.
16. Definitely getting closer. 30. No.
60.
60. Still no.
120.
120. No way.
256.
256. No.
512.
512. No.
1,280.
1,200 papers.
2,560.
2,500 papers.
5,120.
5,000 papers. There we go.